Good morning, afternoon, or evening, tech enthusiasts, and welcome to an eagerly anticipated session today. We are about to embark on an exciting journey, meticulously unboxing one of the most talked about devices of the year, the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This isn't just another smartphone. It represents the pinnacle of mobile technology for 2025, promising groundbreaking advancements and setting new benchmarks for performance, camera capabilities, and overall user experience. Our objective today is to peel back every layer, examine every detail, and give you an exclusive first look at what Samsung has crafted. Join us as we explore the design, features, and initial impressions of this technological marvel, designed to redefine what's possible in the palm of your hand. Get ready to witness innovation unfold right before your eyes. Before we even get to the device itself, the packaging often provides the first subtle clues about the brand's philosophy and the product's premium standing. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra arrives in a remarkably sleek and minimalist box, a testament to modern design principles. It features a matte black finish, exuding an understated elegance that immediately communicates a high-end experience. Noticeably, Samsung has continued its commitment to environmental responsibility. The box feels robust, yet appears to be constructed from largely recycled materials, reflecting global efforts towards sustainability. The branding is subtle, with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra logo prominently yet tastefully displayed on the front. This simple yet sophisticated presentation sets a clear expectation for the advanced technology housed within. It's more than just a container, it's the initial stage of the unboxing ritual, building anticipation. This is arguably the most exciting part of any unboxing experience, the grand reveal. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra box is secured with two sturdy paper seals at the top and bottom, reinforcing the eco-conscious design choice by opting for paper over plastic. The act of breaking these seals is incredibly satisfying. There's that distinct, crisp sound of the paper tearing cleanly, signaling that you are the very first person to open this device. Once those seals are meticulously peeled away, the top lid lifts with a gentle, almost atmospheric resistance, gliding upwards to unveil the phone. This deliberate, smooth motion adds to the premium feel, ensuring that the unboxing itself is an experience, not just a process. It's a moment of pure anticipation, revealing the technological marvel that lies within. The ritual of opening the box is a well-engineered part of the product experience. And here it is, the star of our show, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra itself, nestled securely inside the box. Upon first glance, its sheer presence is undeniable. This year, Samsung has refined its iconic design, featuring an even more streamlined, almost monolithic form factor. The device feels incredibly premium in the hand thanks to its robust titanium frame, which not only contributes to its durability, but also provides a surprisingly lightweight yet solid feel. The large, immersive display dominates the front, stretching seamlessly to the edges with minimal bezels, promising an unparalleled viewing experience. Turning it over, the camera module, a signature of the Ultra series, is elegantly integrated, offering a sophisticated aesthetic that blends power with design. The precise engineering and the choice of premium materials like the titanium frame are immediately apparent, confirming its flagship status. Now, let's explore what else Samsung has included in the box alongside the magnificent Galaxy S25 Ultra. In line with the industry trend and Samsung's own environmental goals, the familiar charging brick is not included, a move aimed at reducing electronic waste. However, you do find a high-quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable designed for fast charging and efficient data transfer, tucked neatly into a separate compartment. Additionally, there's the indispensable SIM ejector tool, subtly placed for easy access when setting up your cellular service. And of course, for the Ultra series, the iconic S Pen is prominently featured, matching the phone's color and seamlessly integrated into its own dedicated slot within the device itself. A small quick start guide and warranty information are also present, providing essential details for new users. These accessories, though fewer than in previous generations, are all thoughtfully provided for immediate and effective use. With the phone finally out of its packaging, the next crucial step is the initial power-up. Pressing the power button on the side initiates the boot sequence, and the Samsung logo instantly illuminates the screen, rendered in breathtaking clarity and vibrant colors. This initial display of the Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel is simply stunning, showcasing deep blacks and incredibly rich hues, hinting at the visual feast awaiting users. The boot process is remarkably swift, a testament to the phone's powerful next-generation processor and optimized software. Within moments, you're greeted by the familiar Android welcome screen, prompting you through a streamlined setup process. The responsiveness of the touchscreen, even during these initial steps, feels instantaneous, promising a fluid and intuitive user experience right from the very first interaction. It's an immediate demonstration of the device's speed and visual prowess. Even in these early moments, several core innovations of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra immediately stand out. The camera system, a perennial highlight for the Ultra series, looks incredibly advanced, with multiple lenses hinting at unparalleled photographic capabilities, from ultra-wide shots to extreme telephoto zoom, promising a versatile and powerful mobile photography experience. Underneath the hood, we know this device is powered by Samsung's latest cutting-edge mobile processor, which is expected to deliver significant performance gains across all tasks, from gaming to intensive multitasking. The display, as we briefly saw during boot up, is not just large but exceptionally bright and fluid, likely featuring a high refresh rate for silky smooth scrolling. And of course, battery life is always a critical concern, and early indications suggest a substantial capacity designed to comfortably power this beast through an entire day or even beyond on a single charge. These initial impressions merely scratch the surface of its potential. For many, the S Pen is the definitive feature distinguishing the Ultra series, and with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it feels more refined and integrated than ever. Removed from its discrete slot at the bottom of the device, the S Pen presents itself as a beautifully crafted tool, perfectly color-matched to the phone itself, maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. The ergonomics are fantastic. It feels balanced and comfortable in the hand, making it ideal for extended use, whether you're jotting down quick notes, sketching intricate designs, or precisely navigating the UI. Its seamless integration with the phone's software is immediately apparent, with air commands and intuitive gestures responding instantly. This isn't just a stylus, it's a powerful productivity and creativity companion, allowing for unparalleled precision and opening up new avenues for interaction, especially for digital artists and power users who value its versatile capabilities and tactile feedback. It truly enhances the Ultra experience. Beyond the visual appeal and raw specifications, the tactile experience, how a phone feels in your hand, is paramount. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra truly excels here. Its weight is perfectly balanced, giving it a reassuringly substantial feel without being overly heavy, thanks in part to its titanium frame. The edges are subtly chamfered, ensuring a comfortable grip that molds naturally to your palm, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The physical buttons, including the power and volume rockers, offer an incredibly satisfying, crisp click, providing clear haptic feedback with every press. Speaking of haptics, the phone's vibration motor delivers nuanced and precise feedback, enhancing typing, notifications, and gaming. This attention to detail in the physical interaction points elevates the overall user experience, making every touch, press, and hold feel deliberate and premium. It transforms the interaction from merely functional to truly enjoyable and immersive. As we conclude our initial unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the excitement is palpable. From its sleek, eco-conscious packaging to the formidable presence of the device itself, every detail points to a meticulously engineered piece of technology. We've witnessed the stunning clarity of its display, the fluid initial setup, and the promise of its powerful camera and processor. The S Pen continues to be a standout feature, offering enhanced precision and productivity, while the tactile feedback and ergonomic design ensure a premium feel in hand. This unboxing has merely scratched the surface of what this phone is capable of. Over the coming weeks, we'll be putting the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra through its paces in comprehensive, in-depth reviews covering camera performance, battery longevity, gaming capabilities, and software innovations. So stay tuned to our channel for those detailed breakdowns and much more.